the comments.
How was it?
It's awesome.
Yeah?
It's amazing.
Just like straight down.
Straight down. It was the red and the orange just flying by.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just blur.
Nice. Yeah, I want to see the footage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever you do with that.
We're up in Buff Creek Pass in Steamboat, taking Clear Creek downhill. It's gonna be sweet.
It's gonna be great. We'll try to catch up with him.
Let's go. Dude, we're gonna make it down before that.
I know. Yee-hee. Oh, that's rocky. Woo!
Dude, your bike can handle this so much better.
Oh man, tell me about it. It's totally changed my riding.
Really?
Yeah. Be way more aggressive. Phew! Woohoo! Whew! Oh, that's good, man. This trail is so cool. All these colors.
Yeah.
My legs are burning from all I was standing up on the pedals.
Yeah.
I like it.
My hands. My form is not as good as it was. Ready?
Ready? Phew! Oh, it's so awesome.
That's fun.
Hey!
I don't know what happened to your car, but I think it's broken.
That's nothing new. I'm used to that.
You have fun?
Yes, we did.
Good.
Did you guys have fun?
We did. We're
Good.
just like a mini car now.
Oh, sorry, I didn't wake you.
Luxury now.
The gals in their car want to get coffee. Do you guys want to join? You want to go shoot the camp?
I rarely turn down a coffee.
Let's get coffee.
Apparently